welcome back to my channel. But if you're new here, hey babes, how are you doing today? You're highly welcome to my little corner here on the internet. So you guys, before we go ahead, okay, a quick disclaimer. I know some people will be like, I just watched your previous video, girl. You had the same hair, this same makeup, this same outfit, like, girl, what's up, what's going on? Alright, so I just literally finished filming a makeup tutorial. So I filmed a video on how I achieved this look from start to finish. I'm going to leave a link to that video somewhere on the screen. So if you love this makeup look, if you love how your girl is looking, do want to check that video out after you're done watching this. Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be creating my first ever physical vision board. I say physical because I once had a digital one. So the first time I ever heard of the word vision board, or the first time I ever saw something called a vision board, was late 2019. And when I saw it, I was like, vision board, like what's all this? So put picture on the board and it will come to pass. So I reluctantly created a digital vision board. So I just went on Pinterest, found some cute pictures, like things that I actually like, and things that I wanted for myself as of then. I just created the vision board and used it as a screensaver. In fact, I still have it on my screen now as a screensaver. So this is my digital vision board. At the end of 2019, I was like, oh, none of all these things came true, like the house, like none of all these things came true. But then a few days ago, I sat back and had a proper look at these pictures, and I was like, some of these things manifested themselves in one way or the other. So for example, I have about 9 pictures here on my on the digital vision board. So what are some of the things that manifested themselves? For example, living in divine health. As minor as divine health may sound, I would say that manifested itself in my life, because we all know how last year was with the whole higgy haga of C19 and all that. God still kept me. I was always going to work with public transport, just going out there meeting people every day, but no harm befell me. So living in divine health, I really thank God for that, because at the end of the day, like, health is so important to me, because even without health, all these things, houses, trips to here, like all these things here, all depend on you being in divine health. So I can say that this manifested itself because I did not fall sick all through last year. This bed, I had a very good look at this bed. This is the kind of bed I have at the moment. Again, when I put this picture, or when I was creating this digital vision board, or this wallpaper, if I may call it, I just saw a nice picture of a bed that I didn't have as at then, and I was like, oh, I would love to have this kind of bed, because then this whole upholstered bed thing was just everywhere on Pinterest. So I just took one and pasted there. I was like, one day I would like to have a bed like this, and this is almost exactly the kind of bed I have now. Down here I have a kitchen, a nice kitchen, and a nice living room. Again, my kitchen is not exactly like this one, my living room is not exactly like this one, but again, the intention I had when I was creating this vision board was I just needed a new space. I just needed a new, let me say the word, I just needed a new house at that point in time. And as God may have it, we moved from Italy to Manchester. I got a new apartment, hence a new kitchen and all that. My kitchen is even white, and this kitchen here is white. Up here I have money, because who doesn't want money? Going viral, I did not go viral last year, but I had a video that did well compared to how my other videos are doing. I had a video that got about 40,000 views. I know some people will like, just 40,000 views, please go and rest. But that, to me, the video did well. Boom, 10,000 subscribers. I did not hit 10,000 subscribers last year, but that's the thing about having a vision board. It's not enough for you to just put the pictures there. You need to put in the work, you need to put in the action. So if I look back on my YouTube channel and ask myself, okay, Nina, did you really put in the work into your YouTube channel? I would honestly say no, I didn't. Looking at the videos I produced last year, I could have done better. There's room for improvement. Like, I did not. Long and short, I really did not put in the work to have gotten these 10,000 views. Inspire, I don't know if I inspired anyone. You watching me, am I an inspiration to you? Let me know down below. So I don't know if I inspired anyone. And in the middle I have this cute baby. Again, I'm praying to God for the fruit of the womb. She's not here yet, my daughter is not here yet, but you know, she is on her way. All right, so that's on that for the digital vision board. So I just looked at this and I was like, okay, a solid 4 or 5 things out of these pictures manifested themselves in one way or the other. So this year, you guys, I'm going big. I am like full intention. I'm pouring out the entire vision. I got myself a board, and yeah, we're going to create my vision board together. So sit back, relax, let's do this. All right, so let's go ahead and create this vision board. Again, your vision is peculiar to you, mine is peculiar to me, so my vision and your vision may not necessarily be the same. All right, so you can get pictures from Pinterest, you can get from Google itself. You know, just Google the things you want and you know, just download the pictures. So for me, my vision for this year will be divided into 3. Alright guys, so I've gotten all the pictures that I want. Now the next thing you need to do is you're going to need to print out these pictures, but because the pictures are a whole lot, you can't print them out, you know, one by one. But what you're going to do is you're just going to basically make a grid, like put the pictures into a grid, just for, you know, it to be easier for you to print out. Alright guys, so this is an example of a grid that I just completed. So this one has a picture of my dream car, which is a black Range Rover Evoque. It has a picture of a Fendi bag that I love so much. This one says believe in yourself. Here says $50,000 in 12 months, which is like a savings goal for me to save this amount of money in 12 months. Here's a picture of an influencer that motivates me, or that inspires me a lot. Her name is Cheesy Duru. If you don't know her, do want to check her out. Here says you got this, girl. Then this one says 6-figure entrepreneur, and then here we have 100k followers. Go ahead and download this image. You can just again change the name to something that you can remember easily. Click on download, and yeah, download for free now. So once it's downloaded, I'll just open it up. So this is what it's going to look like when I open it up. I'll go ahead and just yeah, send this to my printer. So let me show you guys some of the pictures that I have. Okay, this one says success on YouTube, 6-figure entrepreneur, 10 million views on YouTube. Don't laugh at my dreams. I'm even laughing at all these things, but again, no dream is too big. The human beings having 10 million views on YouTube, like, why can't I have it? Okay, so these are some of the brands I would like to work with. ASOS, Benefit Cosmetics, make £100 or $100 a day on YouTube. These are very achievable goals, but just because, you know, I'm not there yet, they seem so big. But I know that there are a lot of people that make, you know, more than $100 on YouTube every day. 50k in 12 months, which is a savings challenge for me. I have this Fendi bag that I love so much. Here says welcome to success, enjoy the journey. I have a picture of a property that I found on Rightmove, because one of my dreams in this country is to get into the real estate game. I have a lot of pictures here, but I can't go, you know, into showing you everything. I have another goal to travel to the States this year. C19 willing. This one says Manchester-based influencers killing it on YouTube. Like, that is the space I want to be. When you talk about the top Manchester YouTubers like Lina Gilbert, so my YouTube views, you know, skyrocketing, sponsored posts, $10,000 in Instagram sponsorships in less than a year, ad sponsorship paid, work with brands. So basically I have, you know, everything related to success, everything related to, you know, living in divine health, everything related to, you know, fruitfulness, fertility, because again, these are my visions for myself. Okay, so these are all the pictures we have. I didn't show you guys everything, but you guys get the gist here. So these are all the pictures that I have. Now the next thing we're going to do is take our board. If you can hear the sound of a bike, that's outside. So this is my board. My board is just this IKEA knopan frame. Some people buy proper boards, but I feel like you can use, you know, a frame. Just do it like this, just position it like this. So this is a knopan 50 by 70 frame. So what I'm going to do now is cut all these into pieces and paste it on this board. You need to put this vision board somewhere where you can see these things every day. So there is no way I would see like 10,000 in Instagram sponsorship that I won't be motivated to get my ass up and just put in the work. Like when I see, you know, the picture of a pregnant woman, you know, it just gives me faith that, or it just, you know, awakens the faith I have that one day my daughter will come or my children will come. You know, living in divine health, seeing it every morning, you know, I affirm to myself that I am living in divine health. Sickness can't stay in this body. Like, divine health is my portion, you know, all that good stuff. So yeah, so let's go ahead and cut this into pieces and paste on our board. So this is the final result of our vision board, and oh my god, no, like every single thing here makes a lot of sense to me. And yeah, ladies and gentlemen, this is my 2021 vision board. Everything is going from my mouth to God's ears, and of course I'm going to put in the work, because even the Bible says faith without works is dead. So it's not enough, you know, just having these pictures here and then, you know, I don't create content, I don't think of improving my content. I'm going to be hanging this somewhere on my wall that, you know, I can easily see, but definitely not the living room. It's going to be in my beauty studio. So yeah, so that every morning when I go in there to dress up, or when I go in there to, you know, film, I look at all these things, I see the faces of these beautiful girls that are killing the game, and I get motivated and inspired to, you know, also kill my own game. So you guys, that's basically it. Let me know down below in the comment section, have you ever had a vision board? Do you plan on creating a vision board? What do you think generally about vision boards? Do you think that vision boards are actually a thing? Guys, that's basically it for me on this video. I hope you learned a thing or two, and if you did, please don't forget to leave your girl a huge like, leave a nice comment down below, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, look out for more video from your girl. This year 2021, we're going to be creating like top-notch content by God's grace. That's what we have here, okay? Because, you know, all these things need to, you know, come to pass, and we need to put in the work. Alright guys, that's basically it for me. I'll see you all in my next video, but until then, please stay safe, and God bless you all. Bye guys.